What do you?
Well, you know what? It's fun. I'm at the Douglas County Fairgrounds in Castle Rock. That would be Colorado, and it's a PE gun show. It's a lot of fun. We got a lot of good people here right now. There's a guy behind me though that's out for a very good cause, and so I think what I'm going to do, as long as we got my videographer here, I'm going to come over and I'm going to put $1 in the box. Okay. And with that dollar, and it's called Team Seas, so they go out and they pick up the trash out of the ocean, okay? And this is kind of helping fund that project. So now I'm going to get one of these strange little knives here. I've not messed with one. Okay, it opens like that, it comes down, and so you would hang on to it, I guess, cut like that. So it's made like a hawkbill knife, and it's kind of thick, but let's go back to the table and see what we got here. Well, we got a mess because I've really been busy this morning. So we take my magic paper. This is going to be a little hard to cut with, okay? That's not too bad. You can work it along like that. So let's sharpen it just like this. Don't press too hard on it. Let it work. Don't make it work. And if you guys do have a knife, I'll sharpen it for you free. And I'll show you my sharpeners. It's got a bottle opener, a fire starter, and 2 styles of sharpening, just like that. And then we go flat on the back like that, like this, and like that, like that. Now I'll slow down and take that burr off the blade. Now let's see what we got. Oh yeah. That's much better. That bites. So anyway, it's a fun little knife. Let's make it $9.95. I just give $1 for it. I'm going to put my initials on it. We're going to put it on our website, sharpensbest.com. So this is actually one that you watched the video, you've seen. I'm going to Sharpie. I'm kind of running out. I got to get a new Sharpie. Mine's running out of ink. So let's do B, L, B, and my smiley face. Okay? $9.95. The first person who gets to that knife on my website, sharpensbest.com, gets to buy that little knife for $9.95. Is it worth $9.95? Of course it is. Brad Buckner had it. I signed it. I had it at my table. I sharpened it. We'll talk to you later.